Hello, my loves. Before we start anything today, I want to tell you where this journey actually comes from. This book that I'm about to guide you through, The Magic by Rhonda Byrne, is not just a book, it's like a very soft whisper from the universe itself. You might know Rhonda from The Secret, The Law of Attraction, but the magic is different. It's not about what to manifest, it's about who you become when you start living in gratitude. It gives you 28 practices, simple, clear, but deeply powerful. Let me give you my example. I found this book in 2020 at a time where life really felt heavy for me. Nothing made sense. I was confused, I was stuck, and honestly, I had no guide, no one to hold my hand. But I found this book, and I had my sister who practiced it with me. And for the next 28 days, because we did not have any other choice at that time, we had to do it to survive. We were living in that zone. So we decided no matter what, we are going to show up. We did every practice every single day with full heart. And I'm telling you today, that changed my life. Not overnight, but enough to shift me from survival mode to hope. Enough to plant the first seeds of joy and ease. You see, I was someone who grew up believing from my childhood. I had people around me who would tell me that life has to be hard, struggle is noble, money comes with burnout. But this practice of saying thank you before asking for more broke that belief bit by bit. And even today, I get to learn so many things when I revisit, and I'm going to revisit this with you. And I'm so excited and so grateful to all of you, and so grateful to this practice that it is going to teach us all something new about life again. Today, I live a very comfortable life. I make money with ease, and I love making money, and I think it is easy. I have built a career that I love. I have seen again and again that when I stop practicing gratitude, the magic fades. Life feels stuck again, heavy again. Recently, someone I deeply love had a near death experience, and in that moment, I realized something I had forgotten. Every practice, every belief system from every other religion, also, every manifestation tool boils down to one simple thing, that is gratitude. You have to be thankful for whatever life is already giving you. Only then you are ready to receive more. So I made a decision. Whatever time I have left in this life, whatever breath I take, I want to live it in gratitude. And honestly, because life gave this person I love a second chance, this challenge is my thank you to life. This is my gift to you. But now it's on you. You are getting daily voice notes. You are not alone like I was in 2020. But here's the truth, this is not for someone who can't show up for themselves. You will only receive the next lesson when I feel your energy, when I see you are actually showing up. So, if you're here for a shift, if you want to feel the difference in your health, your emotions, your money, your mindset, then say yes to yourself. Say yes to few minutes a day. Say yes to a new way of living. And let's begin this journey, because thank you is not just a word, trust me, it's a bridge. It connects where you are now to the life that you're dreaming of. Are you ready to show up for you? If yes, I will see you in day 2. Just comment yes